Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mai. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Today I will be showing you how I achieved this goddess box braid style using the crochet method. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching.
I begin to.
Okay, this look is definitely giving. It's giving cute. It's giving lavish. So I'm not a big fan of crochet styles, but I really like this look on me. I would recommend one more pack of hair though. The back needs a little bit more filling in. That's why I put it in the half up, half down, because to me it looks more full, it's undetectable. But yeah, I really recommend trying this style out. I'm hoping this will last me about a good 2-3 weeks. The install process and the braid down only took me about maybe like an hour and a half to do. So this is a really easy and quick go-to style if you're looking to switch it up. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Leave a comment down below on what your thoughts are on the style, if you've had a crochet style and what your experience was, or if you have any suggestions on the next style that I should try. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.